Hi, Leah.
Hi, Daddy.
I'm a month old today.
She's in her big girl clothes. See, the preemie clothes are too small, but the newborns are too big. Yay! Say hi, Leah. Hi. You need to sit up so you can hold your head up and show everybody. What are you thinking about?
What do you think about puppies?
She likes the puppy.
That puppy likes Leah too. Hi, Leah. Hi. Hi, Leah. Hi.
She's smiling.
She's a good girl. She's a good girl.
Don't get Morgan off camera right now.
Yay! Yay!
Say hi, Daddy. I'm big. Can you put her on her tummy and see what she does?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, there she is.
Leah!
Oh,
Oh,
make sure she don't push forward.
look at her, Daddy.
Hi, honey.
Oh,
he's so
it's so hard working here on tummy time. Oh.
Lift your head up, Leah.
Leah, look up here.
I'm so tired, Dad. This is so hard for a little girl.
Leah.
Look at her. Oh, she's sweet.
Should we tell everybody bye?
Wave bye.
There she goes.
Bye.